In this video, I'm going to share an extract of the Wellbeing and High Performance workshop. Some of you have asked me whether I'm going to run any further workshop. I'm planning to lead further workshop later this year. Stay tuned. I'll let you know about the dates. If you're new to the channel, my name is Dr. Erwin. I help high performers create habits to lead a happy and successful life. I've received many questions about the workshop, so I think it will be valuable if you have an extract so you know exactly what are the things we discuss at the workshop and an insight into what are the things we do during the workshop. So I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel and leave a comment in the comment section.
The external is that you're always failing, so you're never achieving, and that's.
So you're just there and you're having pressure from everywhere, okay? And how you can actually thrive in this, because we're only humans, and at some point we make mistakes, and we all make mistakes, and being able to respond from the mistake is what makes us better than what we are, and learning from our mistake. So in your situation, for example, what are the things that you thought that could actually help?
I think fundamentally for me, I had to redefine what my actual response to those external obligations, or how I saw those external obligations to be, and order them in my mind that was in a realistic and controllable way. And in some regards, that's having quite difficult conversations with people about what roles should be and how they're supported.
Yeah, I think it's very important to set clear boundaries in our role, because what can happen is that we struggle to say no at times, and suddenly we find that our plate is very full and we can't take it anymore, and then it is ourselves who actually crumble in that pressure. So setting clear boundaries and actually saying what you want to do, okay? Because let's face it, there will always work for us, okay? Always more pressure, more demands. But if we don't recognize that it's going to impact our well-being, then we just say yes to everything, and then we don't come into what our role is.
I think uncertainty is a big stress thing, like job uncertainty is probably like if my job is not permanent, so it's very difficult for me. Like the time passes by and the people are not extending, then you think like, oh, you have got mortgages and other expenses. And uncertainty means like, okay, so you may need to move to different jobs, but you don't know what will be the work environment, what will be the other people, and then how it would affect your young family and other liabilities, So that's quite stressful, which is not in your control.
Yeah, I'm glad you mentioned that. So uncertainty is certainly a big thing, okay? And recognizing what is in your control and what is not. So that's the first step. So you recognize what is in your control and what is not. Because what many of us do is that we worry about what is not in our control. And there's nothing we can do about it because it's not in our control. And waste so much time, effort, and energy on things that we call making it better because it's not in our control. Instead, if we work on what is in our control, we can actually make ourselves in a better position if something comes up that we can anticipate. So instead of reaction, like a knee-jerk reaction to something, we can actually respond. So that's where mindfulness kicks in. We'll talk about that later. So instead of reaction, then respond. Close your eyes. Begin by bringing your attention to your body. Notice your body seated in the chair, feeling the weight of your body on the chair. As you take a deep breath in, bringing in more oxygen and leveling the body. Now bring your attention to your legs, or your legs pressing against the chair. Is there pressure or pulsation? Or can you feel a heaviness or lightness? Just notice the feeling without any judgment. And then when you're ready, you can open your eyes. Did this feel relaxing to you? Yes. Okay. Okay. So that was a body scan practice. It's very relaxing. Usually this practice, you can do it around 15 minutes. You can go a bit longer. If you're at home, you can lay down and then do this practice. You'll feel that it reconnects you with your body and the awareness that you may not previously had, things in your body that actually helps you to be more mindful. So with the mindful breathing, what we do, we anchor ourselves on the breath. We use the breath to be more aware of the present. The breath itself is something that we use as a lever, okay? And we get into the state of mindfulness through the breath. The body scan is where we use our whole body to be more present of the moment.
I like doing that. I particularly like the science behind it. And I think it's really important to carry on doing it. The 4-second box breathing as well. To make sure that you do it not just at set times, but just one time in the day. Thanks.
If you have any questions or any suggestions for any future videos, please write it down in the comment section. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos.